Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. This video is for Pisces for the month of February 2021. Before starting my video, as always, I would like to thank you so much for the great participation and indulgence in my videos. I am getting good subscriptions, I am liking the participation and definitely the response. All the new ones, my name is Sonia. I am a clairvoyant, a clairaudient. I do read messages intuitively from tarot. I do channel messages from divine guidance from your guide guardian angels to you. I am making medical videos to heal them spiritually as well. Soon I'm coming up with my travel videos where I have started a spiritual journey, traveling to all pilgrimages, all beautiful places, and telling you why they are so important and how you can enhance your life by traveling, by making yourself more available to nature, how you can be healed through nature, you know, because nature itself, it's a medicine to all the issues we have. We should know how to heal ourselves. Now let's start with your video. This is for Pisces for February 2021. So all the guides and guardian angels of Pisces, please send me messages for February 2021. So deep connections in your life are going to revive again. Maybe some old partnership, maybe somebody who you were interested in the past may show up. Your friendships are going to be really loyal this month. You're going to be more towards worshipping. So maybe you are also turning spiritual. Maybe this month is making you meditate, making you move towards spiritual life. Pisces, I think your red color is prominent for this month. So maybe energy of passion, energy of spirituality, sometimes energy of action is important for you. So some pending actions which you're supposed to take are going to be in February. I also see too much stuff happening regarding your crown chakra. So maybe you are downloading messages from universe, maybe you're getting some insights from universe yourself. Pisces is a sign of intuition as well because it's a water sign, and they do get messages from ocean, from river, from water. So I think the water element is going to make you feel those intuitions, those messages as well. I also see some sort of decorations. I do see some sort of flower decoration. So it could be that you are doing some gardening, you're doing some painting work, or something related with flowers this month. February is going to be an interesting month for you, Piscean. You're going to learn a lot from nature. You're going to learn a lot from creativity. So it could be that you are getting creative, you're learning something, you're going more and more deeper and deeper into natural things. So that's the message where your guides are telling me that okay, indulge in natural activities to increase your powers. So beautiful it is. Your mother, father are in your support. So some of you who are looking for mother and father's support for something are in your support. So just be free and feel free to go and ask any sort of help from your parents. They are going to send you blessings. So beautiful. All the blessings are coming your way, Piscean. Let's start with your reading. Let's go on to a journey of February for you, and let's see what is going to happen in February for you, Piscean. I'm again and again getting Four of Wands. You know, there is something regarding partnership and home decoration, celebration, renovation. Maybe you're decorating your home, you're buying new home, and maybe you've bought new home and now you're decorating it. It could be celebrating your anniversary as well. So I think Pisceans, the ones who are watching, might have their parents' anniversary or their own anniversary in this month, and you're going to celebrate it, you're going to dance, you're going to decorate. Most importantly, I'm also getting a hermit card which says that maybe you were waiting for this moment, maybe you're going back to your parents and celebrating their anniversary. It could be your own participation in some home celebration, and you are actually on a hermit mode. So yes, you are learning something, maybe your values, maybe how to be happy in house is also a learning sometimes, you know. Let's see in February what's the journey coming for you, Pisces. It might resonate with you. If it doesn't, please go ahead and watch other videos. It could be a moon sun sign video which resonates with you. You can keep on following that video every month. Okay, it is Nine of Wands, Pisces. So Nine of Wands is where you have thought about a situation a lot. It could be what I see from the up cards, that it could be regarding your family, it could be regarding your own path or your own struggle in life. You've thought about it, you've given a lot of time thinking about it, you have put in efforts, you have grown. I'm getting energy of you've grown with this path as human growth. You have grown and understanding within you has increased regarding something. Queen of Swords. It could be some female in your family, it could be your mother, it could be your wife, or it could be you yourself if you're a female. That how you can rule this situation. So, your basic want is that you have struggled a lot, you have put in efforts a lot, now you want to rule yourself. I'm not getting any energy of ruling others. It could be you want to rule yourself, you want to rule your life. That is what the energy is picking, because hermit mode is a teaching mode, is a learning mode. So it could be that you're learning how to balance yourself, how to end this struggle, and how to actually get the grip of yourself. Five of Pentacles. So definitely your partnership has suffered because of this absence of power or rulership within you or within the female in the family. It could be because Five of Pentacles always tells me about the lackings, about the separation, or about something which is just not stable, you know. And this is what it is. You want to either find out the truth regarding this. I'm also getting intuitively some of you want to know what happened in my partnership, why I did get split with this person, or why my relationship with my husband or my wife is not working properly. You are intruding into, you are intuitively, now you are feeling that you want to go deeper and deeper inside this matter, and you want to find it out as well. The concern is family. February month, it's the concern is the family, the union, the partnership, the couple, the marriage. It could be you or your parents. I'm getting connected with these two energies more, and it's regarding the partnership. Then you have the Judgment card below, Nine of Wands. So your struggle for not reaching wherever you are, wherever you wanted to be in present as well, is the Judgment card. Your spirit has to ascend. You have to rise high to get the better opportunities in life, better space in life, better life overall. You have to ascend, you have to move forward and in your spiritual growth. So there is nobody to blame. It's you yourself. You have thought about this situation a lot. What is lacking is your own self growth. That is where you need to work, Bison. So maybe some learning, some teaching, some classes, some meditation, some spiritual journeys coming ahead, or maybe some of you have already started it to understand yourself, because Judgment card is where you have stopped growth of yourself, and that's why things are incomplete. And then we have Page of Pentacles. So definitely your communication with yourself is opening, and it is below Queen of Swords. Do talk to yourself, guys. We need to know ourselves more than anybody else so that we take right steps. We don't need to get confused, and we do get confused where we don't know that what is right for us, what is not right for us. You have to communicate yourself, you have to understand your spirit. And once you understand that spirit, the overall situation in your life is going to be good, including this partnership. You have to understand, do you want this partnership, and do you know the reasons why this partnership didn't work properly, or you want to make it work properly? The answers are within you. You have to just answer yourself. And it is Two of Swords below Five of Pentacles. Very clear that your partnership didn't work because you were crossed, you were confused. You had two choices. Maybe you had somebody else in your life with this partner, or maybe this partner of yours had somebody else with you, and you were suffering. And I personally feel it was your behavior which brought this situation to this condition. It could be that you were too direct in approach, you were too straightforward, you were not accepting this person emotionally, or it could be vice versa, that this person didn't accept you emotionally. Because overall the theme is this partnership and your concentration on this partnership. And Two of Swords also tells me that you're both of you are blindfolded. So you are maybe supposed to, what is the indication of this, that close your eyes and look within yourself rather than finding faults in other person. Look within yourself, you will find answers within. You have to talk to yourself. And then you have Queen of Cups. So that's what I was talking about, that your emotional journey is stopped somewhere, it is at halt. You have to get emotional to be, because you are with swords, with wands, but you don't have cups in your life. And when you don't have self-love within, the love outside will not be there because there's no reflection. and we all have mirrors around. Whatever is inside is going to be outside as well, as simple as that. So your energy of water element is very low. Either you have to raise your water element, or maybe you are doing it through hermit. You are understanding that your emotions are where you're lacking, and that's how you are going to, because in the two of swords card also the moon is upside down, which is definitely that your water element, your emotions are not working in favor of you. Either they're absent or they're very very less. You have to get emotional. Your spirit needs emotions, whosoever you are. If you're a cross watcher as well, it's about your partner, that they need emotions to be perfect in this relationship with you. So the emotions have to be worked on, and I think with the third week of February you will understand that what is lacking is your own emotion, and there you will come out as Queen of Wands, who is balanced, who has all emotions, who is very 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 clear in all the motives, and very happy. The biggest thing is, from Queen of Swords to Queen of Wands, this is what your journey is going to be in February. You will understand that your power lies within you. You're going to change within, and reflections will be outside, and your confusions will end. And then you have 10 of cups. So definitely February, it's all about, you are actually seeing that your family, your love life, your companionship, your couple, your partner, why things are not right is your question. Maybe it has started from January, but in February you need solutions. You have started some therapy, you are introspecting, and this situation is going to end when you're going to get the answer that it is the one I'm supposed to change. My emotions are lacking, my overall path is lacking of giving love to myself. Maybe you are not liking yourself a lot, and now you have to change. You have to work on yourself, and you will see that family will be happy. Some of you, maybe your kids are living far off, they are also going to meet you, come back to you as you change, because your change is going to change the situations around. Also, I feel your confusions, your separations, your hardship in your life is going to end, because it is Nine of Wands. The cycle is, the pattern is going to end. But in February, it's the question of introspecting. It's the procrastinating. You are actually trying to understand what is wrong, and the answer is that you have to change. I hope this is going to help you. I'll pull out one card overall for this situation, because I feel your partnership is your question, and you have doubts regarding this. You are unable to reach to the right answer, and I want divine guidance for you, even if it is a cross watcher or the one who's supposed to watch this as Pisces, or maybe your sun moon sign, whosoever is watching this video. What is the divine guidance? Okay, so your answer is longing for home, belongingness, the original light workers. So if the card name is Mintakan, or it is Mintekan, I don't know how to actually pronounce it, but the answer is longing for home, belonging, the original light worker. So the answer from divine is also like this: you're sitting alone and you are basically looking for belongingness, and that is lacking within you, and so that you don't get it from your family as well. Such a direct answer from divine. You are looking for home, that is 10 of cups, but how you will receive that home? When you change yourself, when you start loving yourself, and you start receiving love of your partner and the family as well. And you are a light worker, you are spiritually awakened. That's why the Hermit card is there. You are spiritually working on yourself. When you start questioning, it is the time to change, because you have questioned that situation. So Pisces, I hope you understand how things are going to turn around. You have to see what is lacking in you, within you, to receive it outside. If it is love, then love is lacking in you for yourself. First start giving yourself love, attention, value, and you will find it outside as well from your family, because you're looking for belongingness. Where do I belong? Why am I here? What is my thing with this family, with this person? You are going to be attached. This is your family. It's just that you have lost your way. I hope this reading helps you find out the right answer, ending confusions. And if you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon in March. Take care. Bye.